This video, we have calculated the betas of each company and variance of error term and simple average return of each company. And now we will test the CAPM in two different ways. In first part, we should have this model. And in second part, where we have one DV and three IVs. Now just copy this data. Here, let's say in sheet 2 and convert into values. Now here the first part and the second part. Now in first part and in second part, for example, this is for our second part. And in first part, we need only average return and beta. And in second part, we have three IVs and we need beta square as well to check the linearity of the model, beta square. So here I will take square of this one, part 2. Now this is our part 1. And then part 2. We'll use Excel regression model here and go to the data, and in data analysis, select regression. And the first model, our DV is the average return, and our IV is these betas, and label, and then confidence level and output range. Let's say here is output range. Now in the second, I will also run the second model as well. Now again, go to data analysis, regression. Now in this time, your DV is now changed. The location is changed. DV is here. And our IVs are now expanded, as in first there was only one IV and now we have three IVs. Select all these three IVs with label. And now just change this output range. Let's say place here. Okay. Now just check the summary. Check these P values. And coefficient. Now here you can see that we will accept the null hypothesis, and in the same way, because here you should check this lambda 2 coefficient and lambda 1 coefficient, lambda 3 coefficient, and again it is not significant. We will accept our null hypothesis, as here you can see that we have that lambda 2 equal to 0 and lambda 3 equal to 0. That suggests that no other variable explaining rate of return for lambda 3, and for lambda 2 is equal to 0, and it also shows the non-linearity. And the same way you can interpret the first part as well. So this is all about testing the CAPM model. I have taken only the 6 companies. Now, ideally, you should have more than 100 companies to test the CAPM model. Thank you very much for watching this video.